Mr. President, point of order. Mr. President, I'm invoking.
Senator Mangono. Senator Mangono.
I'm invoking.
Senator Mangono, approach the chair. Approach the chair. Approach the chair. Senator Mangono, approach the chair. And I've said it, people have been in these chambers for 3 years now. We should begin to know the rules of the Senate. I don't want to be accused of executive arrogance. That's why I keep tolerating these things. Please, there's no new senator any longer. There's no new senator any longer. Let us try our best to abide by the rules here. I've said if you're a policeman, you will wear police uniform unless you are in investigation. If you're a soldier, you must wear the army uniform. If you're a senator, you must go by the rules. Am I right? So point of order, you are ruled out of order. Page what?
Mr. President, distinguished Senator Adams Oshiomhole, please be guided. Be guided. Distinguished Senator Adams Oshiomhole, I am now invoking powers conferred to the office of the Chief Whip to order you to resume your seat and be guided by the ruling of the presiding officer. I am saying so in my capacity as the Chief Whip of the Senate. Be guided. Be guided. Be guided. I don't want to. Be guided. I don't want to invoke the powers of the office of the Chief Whip. Be guided. But I have
Senator Abaribe. Senator Abaribe. No, you don't need to come to me. I just want to tell you, you see what I've been saying, that we must read the rules. We must read the rules. We must read the rules. Page 1964. Page 1965. So, distinguished Senator, we shouldn't just go home, fill form, contest election, come here without knowing anything about the rules. Order 20 sub F says that the Senate President shall interpret the rules. I didn't write this. So, please, Senator Oshiomhole, for the last time, if you become unruly in the Senate, we will use these same rules to take you out of the Senate. So this is the last warning.